Hi, my name is Michael Young. I'm president of the New York Film Academy, and I'd like to welcome you to our video. Over the last 2 decades, the New York Film Academy has become one of the most prominent institutions of visual and performing arts education. We believe in learning by doing. You're going to start on your first project, day 1 of the program. We want to help you find the best program for you.
They learn about cinematography, about screenwriting, about acting. You're going to learn all the different components of filmmaking.
The heart of our program is teaching actors skills to work on camera.
A good producer has to see the big picture. Learning the industry is as important as learning the technical aspect of filmmaking.
I teach them loading cameras, learning to light, building a set, understanding where to place those lights.
Screenwriting is the basic element of all visual storytelling. If you write from your experience, from the things that you love, breaking down the characters and creating a world of your own, then you create amazing stories.
People learn things quickly, integrate them quickly, apply them quickly, learn to make documentaries by making documentaries.
You are learning how to dance, you are learning how to sing, you are learning how to act.
With teachers who are on Broadway, so they can tell you, no, this is what happens when you walk in the door.
Animation today is so universal. You have to consider the global marketplace.
There's limitless potential with animation.
The main takeaway is you're going to learn how games work as systems and be a very facile and capable system designer.
Journalism helps us figure out the chaotic lives that we live now. We can start to make sense of what's going on around us.
Students photograph architecture, lifestyle, fashion, food, people, portraits, and it gives students a great opportunity to create incredible work.
The faculty at the New York Film Academy are all present-day, current working industry professionals.
We have campuses in New York, Los Angeles, plus a location in Florence, Italy, as well as satellite locations all over the world.
The New York Film Academy campus in New York City is located in Battery Park in Manhattan. They can use the entire city as their backlot.
We're right on the doorstep of Warner Brothers and Universal Studios. We have production classes on the Universal Studios backlot. We have short-term workshops, 1-year conservatory programs, as well as associate, bachelor, and master degree programs. During the summer months, we also offer hands-on youth and high school summer camps where students can learn storytelling while meeting new friends and having fun.
The facilities and equipment we have here at the New York Film Academy are incredible.
We strive to have as much cutting-edge equipment as possible so that students can attend our program, learn the equipment, and then go and start working.
New York Film Academy Industry Lab. It is an opportunity for students to gain professional experience.
We help our students every step of the way. We offer services for housing, financial aid, international visa applications, as well as career and veteran services. One of the most thrilling experiences for our students is our guest lecture series. They get a chance to interact with some of the top figures in the entertainment industry, such as Steven Spielberg, Al Pacino, Ron Howard. It's truly an exciting experience for the entire campus.
The most important thing for any discipline in filmmaking or related arts is to tell a story.
The story.
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 Storytelling.
Story.
Stories.
Story.
We're cultivating storytellers.
The student body feeds the energy here from more than 80 countries. We have students from the United States, Australia, Russia, China, Africa, Latin America, the Middle East. They bring so many different perspectives to the work. It allows our students to develop an international network.
I got my diploma.
We're on our way.
We've been honored to teach so many talented students who go on to work at every level of the media and entertainment industry.
Any student who studies at New York Film Academy,
As soon as they graduate, they're going to be out there and they'll be able to make movies.
They are ready to be business people, not just artists.
We're really preparing our students to succeed in this business.
You're going to get a hands-on experience that you're not going to get in any film school in the world.